Hello everybody, greetings to you all. My name is Luc Fonroise and the country director for the Haitian Timon Foundation. Education in Haiti have been always a burden for parents to send their children to school. There is no free education, it's all paid. Not easily accessible for many. Fewer than 19% of students complete ninth grade. Even students who complete elementary school may not be able to attend high school due to the financial burden. Parents are struggle to provide food for the families. School require fees, uniforms, books, and they need school supplies.
You can help us by becoming a monthly sustainer or a one-time gift. If you want to be a curiosity cultivator, that's at $40 a month, and that will help with our primary school programs that we sponsor. L'École St. Trinity and CEI are just two of those programs. If you'd like to do $75 a month to become a Hope Sustainer, that will help our high school students. Last year we had 24 Living Faith students. This year we have 24, and we'd like to get more into the program of those who just graduated from L'École St. Trinity. They are all not sponsored yet. We really need your help in this area. If you would like to help one of those students that have already graduated from Living Faith to go to vocational school or to learn a new skill set and become a dream maker at $150 a month. And then Champion of Change will be $250 a month, which we will help with our college and our university students. Please consider this as you send your children or your grandchildren off to school right now. We really need your help in this area, and we're going to run this for a few weeks so that we can sponsor more children. Thank you for cultivating hope and transforming lives in Haiti.